Next concept, mathematical operations on series object. Mathematical operations on series object. How this is going to be get? Mathematical operations on series object. We can able to perform mathematical operations by using operators and by using methods also we can able to perform. So plus we have the operator as plus, add is a method. By using subtract operator and method we can able to perform this arithmetic operations or mathematical operations. Multiplication, division. So these are all the arithmetic operations what we are going to be perform on the series object. The two, if the mathematical operations has to be performed, mathematical operations has to be performed on the series object, operations to be performed on matching indexes only, otherwise will have a name value, not a number. Unmatched indexes will be having not a number. That we'll see with the examples. Examples for this will be creating the series object. PD dot series will be having the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we have index A, B, C, Y, Z. Now if we see this, S1 forgot to import Pandas module. We need to consider all this as a string. Will be the values like this. Now I'll be creating the another object, PD dot series. And the index I'll be giving as A, B, C, A, B, C, D. So 11, 22, 33, 44 we have. Now when we are performing this S1 plus S2, see here A, B, C is the indexes we have in S1, A, B, C, D is the indexes we have in S2. Now the content of A index 10 is going to be add with this 11 because the index is same in both the things. Otherwise, it is not going to be get. We'll be getting a n value. See, D index we have in this and we don't have in S1. Why is it we have in S1? We don't have in S2. Because of that, in the respective places, we'll be having NAN. So by using the operator, we can able to perform this, and by use add operand also we can add method also we can able to perform this. How will do this? Same we are going to be get. So matching indexes, the values will be added. Otherwise, it is going to get the NN values if the index is not matching in both the things. Remaining operators will be performing the subtraction. S1 minus S2 will be getting this. S1 by using the sub method, how we can able to get it. So same we are going to be get. The matching is there from S1 to S2. It is going to be subtract. Now S1 dot add S2 fill underscore value is equals to 0. I'll go. See, in this particular example, while we are performing addition, D if it is not there, D is not there, it is going to be place 0. D is not there, it will place 0. So Y is not, the available values is going to be place 0. See, we are going to be careful. In D is there for us in the S2 series object, but it is not there in S1. Because of that, we are getting NN value when we are performing the addition or here. Y index, Z index is there in subject S1, series object S1. It is not there in S because of that NN we have. So whenever we are using fill underscore value here, and if I am giving the value as 0, whenever we have NN value or the index is not available in that particular place, it is going to be filled with that particular place, it is going to be filled with 0. So actually D value in S2 we have as 44. D value in S2 we have 44. So in this here 44 we have in D value. It is not there in S1 because of that 0 plus 44 will be getting 44. And whereas coming to this S1 we have X and Y. We have X, Y and Z. Y and Z values are there in S1. In S2. Because of that, it is going to be displayed as in the place of that 40, 50. In the second series object, it is going to be considered with the 0. So because of that, we are going to be get 0. 40 plus 0, 40. 50 plus 0, 50. The same we can able to apply. The same we can able to apply for subtraction. So not only 0, any value. The respective positions, fill underscore value, just I'll give as 100. So whenever we have NN values in that particular place, if it is going to be placed 100, so usually in the D place will be having 44, which is there in S2 series object. In S1 we don't have D index. In that particular place it is going to be placed 100. 100 minus 44, it is going to be get as 56. Now Y value we have there as 40. 40 minus 100, because in S2 only we are going to be considered as 100. 40 minus 100 minus 16, minus 60 we are going to get. So Z value we have as 50, which is in the S2 subject we don't have Z. Because of that, it is going to be considered as 100. 50 minus 100, it will be minus 50. The similar way, the remaining arithmetic operations also we have. Multiplication S1, S2. So matching indexes only, it is going to be perform multiplication. So S1 dot mul is a method which is used for performing the multiplication, and that also is going to be performed similar to that. S1 dot mul S2 comma fill underscore value 5. So we'll be getting the values as that. So in the similar way, division S1 divide with S1 divide with S2, we'll be getting the values exactly. S1 dot div function S2. So we are going to get S1 dot div of S2 comma fill underscore value 100. So it is going to be considered the new value with 100 and it is going to be divided. Now let's suppose S1 dot div S2 comma fill underscore value is 50 we have. Sorry, 0 I'll take. Anything divided by 0, infinity we need to get. Say y value, z value. Y value we have as 40, z value we have as 50. That 40 divided by 0, 50 divided by 0 will be getting infinity. So d value we have 44, 0 by 44 will be 0 only. 0 by 44 will be 0 only. So in these two places only it is going to be get. So these are all the arithmetic operations which is going to be performed on the series object.